Customer states, been involved in an accident with a curb. That's done. And no wonder why it's making a grinding noise when I brought it into the shop.
Customer bought the Subaru in for a pre-purchase inspection and was told to not buy it because the engine was already ticking.
It depends on the county and what kind of car.
Someone forgot to torque the rod caps correctly and it ended as bad as you'd expect. Mechanic went to look at this truck for his buddy and was told it had just been rebuilt 500 miles ago. Either that's a lie or they incorrectly rebuilt it.
Right front flat repair.
Customer states the driver's side rear has been making a noise when driving. These mechanics pranked their new guy into cleaning the bead blaster in a bucket of water. Customer states, my girlfriend hit a pothole and something came off and sent through this video. Hopefully it's just the shock and not the mount needing to be welded back on. Dude just casually walked out like he didn't just eat the transmission wiring harness.
Got towed in, no starts. Clear evidence of oil sludge. Yeah. So I did detect the dipstick, it's bone dry, also see sludge in there. Yes. All right. Please change your oil, people.
Truck came in with low compression in cylinder 5. After removing the cylinder head, they unfortunately found a bent valve. Customer states, my van violently shakes and clunks when I brake. That is some busted suspension if I've ever seen it and needs to be fixed ASAP.
Are you sure about that?
Vehicle came in 11 miles after an oil change at Mavis. Someone left the oil cap off or loose, causing it to land and melt to the exhaust manifold.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, Colin.
Dodge Durango came in for charging system diagnostic but had a very bad oil or transmission leak, which the customer didn't even mention. It had a list of other issues which the customer declined to have repaired, and they ended up having it towed away.
Yeah.
Customers said they knew it had an oil leak but didn't run it very long. That would be false. Customer states, the ABS and traction control lights are on. Who needs a wheel bearing anyway? Not this guy.
Just started making noise yesterday.
Truck driver didn't know his truck had a coolant filter, likely the one from the factory with a huge 500,000 miles on it.
All right, hit it. Subframe bushing. All right, seen enough.
Now that is one lucky customer driving in with a belt in the state, ready to jump timing any second. Brand new 2024 hybrid Tundra with only 3,000 miles spun both front and rear main bearings.
Now slide it over. It's a mid 2000s F250, 150 Canadian. The thing that makes this special is it has 7 lug nuts. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have never seen one like this. I've only heard about them.
Fiat 500 rolled in with a cracked inlet manifold and was running terribly. Think we found the problem. Remember to change your ECU oil, guys. Joking aside, it came through one of the connectors by going along the wire. Not what you want to find when dropping the transmission pan. Surprisingly, it shifted fine. Customer's complaint was having no heat, and they had to keep filling the coolant. Who needs a waste oil pump when you can just use a big magnet to get all the metal infused oil to come out? Customer states, well, it ran when we dropped it off. Just some unlucky timing on the mechanic's behalf, but at least it happened while in the shop. Customer states my AC has been rattling. No pasta for this rodent tonight. Customer came in requesting an alignment. Neither the steering stabilizer nor the front track bar were attached. Hyundai Elantra with 98,000 miles with some nice sparkly oil. If they're lucky, it might be covered under the 100,000 mile warranty. Mechanic pulled the intake plenum for a different concern and found this razor. Customer got extremely lucky, it didn't go any further.
So got a 2005 Saturn VUE. This has around almost 70,000 miles and is in here for a complaint of a noise. Yeah. Okay, I think I've seen enough.
Mechanic took the car for a drive and heard some creaking and decided to check it out. Time for a new ball joint. Customer states, I just need 2 tyres in alignment, and if they could check the suspension, how were they even driving it like this? Engine was without coolant and overheated so many times it melted the overflow tank from the exhaust gas bypass. Customer states, I just want an oil change only please.
All right, go ahead.
Thanks for watching. We just released a brand new channel called Garage Gold, where we show off some crazy and interesting cars for sale on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. There'll be a link on screen now where you can check it out, and there'll also be a link in the description. I hope to see you guys in our new channel as well. Thanks for watching.